Hello and welcome to Mushroom Guru's Advanced Fungi Culturing Course. My name is Craig and I'm going to be taking you through 4 modules to show you how to work with gourmet and medicinal mushrooms. You're going to learn how to cultivate a large variety of different fungi. In Module 1, I'm going to show you how to make your own nutrient plates. I'm going to teach you the different mixtures, how to pour them, how to seal them, and how to store them. Once we've done that, we're going to do Module 2, which is then how to work with cultures. I'm going to show you how to do a clone from a mushroom. I'm going to show you how to do an isolation once you've done that clone. I'm also going to show you how to work with spores on agar, and then also how to isolate various strains from those spores. In Module 3, I'm then going to show you how to work with grain. I'm going to show you how to soak your sorghum, how to wash it, how to cook it, and also then later on how to inoculate it. From there, I'm going to show you to go from grain to grain and then also to a larger bag. In Module 4, we are going to be looking at different substrates. So we're going to be working with straw substrates and also with wood chip substrates, and then combination substrates of straw and wood chip. I'll show you the cold pasteurization method, the hot pasteurization method, and also sterilizing using your autoclave or your household pressure cooker. So stay tuned, there's a lot to learn. Roll up the sleeves and let's get cracking.